All right, so you've seen the accident. Let me just break it down for you play by play, because there's a bunch going on here that at first sight, you're just not going to see. But once I reveal it to you, you're probably going to be shocked. So let's play the clip from the top. This is the guy that hits me. I'm here in the left lane. Now, what's really important here, and let's go from the top. There's a Lamborghini right here in front of the car that hits the back of my car. I'm already in the left lane. This is the 720 here. You're about to see said Lamborghini cross in front of me. Nice little flame while I shift. Okay, 720, black STO, Huracan right in front of me. We have plenty of space at this point. I'm actually not even accelerating at this point because I'm giving the Lamborghini a little more space. Now, notice right here, the sign. This lane is to enter the 73 freeway. These cars are all going to try to move into this left lane. There's the white car that ends up in the back of my car. There's this car that ends up trying to come over last minute. And what's happening in front of me is that black STO has a car that's down this hill you can't see yet, that's also last minute cutting over two white solid lines to get in to try to make it under the 73, which ends up putting that STO in a position where he almost gets hit and he has to maneuver all the way left as far as almost putting his mirror on this guardrail to avoid getting hit. You can actually already see his brake light. Let's play it out a couple more seconds. There's said Lamborghini with his brakes on. Now I'm braking because I can just see this going down in front of me that these two guys are about to hit and the STO's about an inch away from the railing. Okay. White Challenger behind me, still not braking. This whole time we have brake lights on in front of us. He's not looking ahead. He does not see this whole mess that's going down. Now, Lamborghini's still right up against the guardrail. He's still not braking. This car's still now trying to come in. Now he just starts braking. He's already in trouble. Now, check this out. Watch this. Right here, you can just see my left taillight, and the Lamborghini is right up against the railing. And this is where the impact happens. Bam. Lamborghini is right up against the railing. I'm not even on my brakes. I was just coasting down the hill. I get hit. Brake lights come on for me. I come to a stop right here. Here's the Lamborghini up against the railing, and here's the car. Do you see how there's these two cars in front of me trying to share one lane? Well, that's what caused this huge bottleneck, is all these cars that don't know what they're doing are trying to go last minute into the left lane when they shouldn't be doing that. That's the dangerous move here. There's a bunch of cars like myself and the STO and a bunch of other people that are in that lane. We're in that lane the whole time. We know we're getting on the 73. There's people who don't listen to the driver's meeting at these drives, and then all of a sudden last minute, they're just reacting to where people are going. That's what happened here. These two guys almost hit each other. I was slowing down to avoid that. He wasn't paying attention, the white Challenger, and he drove into the back of me. And he's about to plow this exit sign down. Bam, there goes exit sign. Blows through the exit sign. He ends up about, 50 yards down the right side of the freeway. And I'm sitting over here. So let's go to the beginning and play it one more time. Lamborghini jumps in front of me. Doesn't look like it, but there's actually a decent amount of room. He's got like a whole car length gap in front of me, which is fine. Plus he's accelerating. I'm not really accelerating that hard. Driving, everything's good. I got lots of space around me. I see the accident about to potentially happen in front of me. I'm braking right now. Everyone in front of me is braking. He's still not braking. Oh, just realized what's going on. Danger, danger. I'm here, not on the brakes. Watch my brakes come on after he hits me. Boom, my brakes come on. Big mess. Lamborghini just gets in front of this guy. This guy's now braking because Lamborghini's getting in front of him. And catastrophe. Hope that makes sense. Make sense?
Yep.
Watch the rest of the video.
Somebody crash?
I don't know.
Mother.
Where's Betty? Are you guys okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
Ripping up behind me and just drove through the back of my car when all the cars were trying to come in here. These guys were all slowing down, so we all slowed down and someone just came blowing up and I don't know who it was. They drove through all this.
Is the guy fine?
Is there a guy on the floor?
Who hit me?
The Hellcat.
Oh, I thought they took off.
No, they hit you from behind because
I know
you
he hit
stopped
me.
and then
Is he okay?
yeah, him and the girl are fine.
They're okay?
Yeah, I mean not the car, but
I was just slowing down because everybody was bottlenecked, and then
Yeah.
next thing I know, I got.
well, we were behind.
I got
behind
smoked.
you two, and then yeah, he went on top of you.
Guys okay?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm
You
fine.
guys okay?
Oh, I'm fine.
Hey, man.
I just hope they're okay.
Yeah, but we saw everything happen.
Guys
That's why
okay?
we were
Okay,
scared.
Oh, dude, everybody was just bottlenecking, so I was just slowing down like everybody else, and next thing I know, I got hit.
No, I wasn't recording, but dude,
I think I might have gone there.
I think he might have gotten it. He might have gotten it. I think.
I knew it was gonna happen.
It's just the wife on you guys? That's it?
I think so. I don't know.
I almost got hit too.
Who?
I
saw the black Lambo get sandwiched.
Yeah, and then you
Yeah.
tried stopping too, and then
How many
I
cars got
wasn't
hit?
stopping. I was only slowing down.
Yeah.
Because the black car, the black
got hit too.
The black STO almost got sandwiched into the barrier. And then right when I was watching the STO get sandwiched in the barrier, I got hit.
Because he tried going in front of us too, and then everybody started slowing down.
Dude, look at
And
Lily. Cracked that rotor in half.
Well,
Holy.
in all fairness, I was in this lane. I didn't turn in this lane. I was in this lane. So. Yeah, what?
But then it stopped.
I saw them slow down. I stopped and I went right It didn't touch any of the engine, but this fucked.
Well, like I always say, as long as no one's hurt, it's just a car. I'm fine. As long as no one's hurt, it's just this is just material. Like you can always live to build another car. I've done it a few times. It's all good, bro. It's all good. It's just unfortunate because like everyone's just too close together.
I just saw debris everywhere. I thought it was a motorcycle, and I saw your car.
I was like 2 cars behind.
I saw a piece of orange.
I think someone down over here. I asked it, a bunch of people came back and said they're okay.
He was
so.
hit us, but that shit
Well, man, that sucks.
Oh, well.
Look.
Man, that's the best car in the fleet, too.
The crazy part is, it's probably fixable.
Think so?
Back to
Mclaren.
I mean, they just
It just clipped
they
the
clipped the
corners.
back end.
It's
kind of wild they missed the wing, though. That's for sure.
So,
Smack anything, bro.
Dave, let's walk down and make sure.
Oh, he's right here.
Just so I'm.
He's somewhere.
Who's driving?
He's over there.
Let's just.
Yeah, we're fine.
Cool.
Dude, I'm so sorry.
It's all good, man.
I'm
I mean,
so
like, you live and learn, right?
Yeah.
The trick to all these drives is always to give yourself space and drive within whatever you and your car's capabilities are, and that's the downside of not making it sound bad, but like BMWs are not going to stop like McLarens. They just aren't. Like I'm on R888s with ceramic brakes. This car is going to stop way sooner than another car is, and so like that's where if you just don't have the room.
Hey, I'll fix it for you, bro. Don't even worry about it.
Oh, it's all good. I'm not stressed. As long as these guys are okay, we're okay. The rest is just like material that you can always buy more of. You can't buy more people, so I'm always happy when no one's hurt, you know?
Thank you.
We should probably, man. It's all good. As long as you guys are okay, you guys are good. Let's get some of these cars out of here because not everyone needs to stay here.
Yeah.
At this point, it's, we'll just exchange information and I'll have to call a tow truck.
Yeah.
I don't know know if no one's hurt and it's just property damage, do you have to get a police report for all this?
I don't know. I'll call our insurance agent in a minute.
Okay, we'll call, we'll make some phone calls. But I think for now, I think the best thing to do is probably just get whatever cars are okay just off the road.
Yeah,
and just everyone continue on. Just be careful for all the debris. It just needs to get.
This is over here.
Yeah.
Was that sitting there after you?
Oh, it blew off.
Oh.
It passed me.
Just got it back.
It passed me.
So after the 720 was hit, obviously the sign got smashed. The car that hit him's over here somewhere. We'll have to go look for it. I'm not sure if any other cars got hit. Don't mind me, I'm super quiet because I'm kind of in shock right now. I wasn't expecting to see that. Like, obviously my first concern is Damon okay? He got out, he's out. He's super positive about it because that's his mindset. But still, the shock factor is just, even when no one's hurt, like when something like that happens as an accident, it definitely takes you to a place of fear. But now that established everyone's okay, I'm just gonna check these cars out and make sure no one else is hurt or was hit. It looks like all the cars are okay. It was just the 2 cars involved. Okay, so now the priority is to get everybody off the road because right now this entire lane is completely shut down. No one's going anywhere. So we need to make sure it's safe, get people off, call a tow truck, call an insurance company. The driver's here, he admitted fault. The lane slowing down, he hit the brakes too late or whatever happened, he hit Damon's car, it is what it is, pretty clear. So we'll deal with that later. Speculation as far as can you fix the car right now, it's so early to even have that conversation, but I would suspect probably not. All this debris, so there's a 720, here's all the debris, and the car that hit him is apparently the Challenger, the white Challenger over here. And I'm told it's destroyed. Oh yeah, airbags deployed. Oh, damn, they were going fast. No airbags in the 720, all air brakes deployed in this car. No one's in there? Everyone's good? Just making sure. So 720 is over there, and that white Challenger is here. That's how much speed he had going after he hit Damon. He went another, gotta be 200, 300 feet before he stopped.
Keep everyone moving. Hey, Dave.
Oh, here comes the cops. Hello, officer.
Stop. They're what?
The white is over there. That's what hit this car.
I have the owner and his girlfriend here. They're okay. No one's hurt. Just property damage. These guys need to move.
Are you involved in the crash?
Yeah, I was driving this.
You were driving this vehicle. Okay,
I'm
do me a
with
favor.
this.
Go stand over there. Cool. Thank you, sir. So, who else is not involved in this? And you're with what?
I was the one driving the McLaren.
Okay,
Yeah.
just hang out.
Yeah, no worries.
Sorry, David. Love the channel.
Thanks, man. Have a good night.
Do you have your driver's license on you? Do you have your license? I'll need driver's license and insurance registration. Are you hurt? You're not at all?
It's such a beautiful car.
That's the second car is blue.
Been giving the officer all my info here, so there we go.
We're gonna wait for the tow though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you Damon?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so your friend's there to pick you up back there, but we're gonna wait for the tow. That way you get the tow information.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Was this sign in the door point here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Right there.
Those two up right here? Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Well, I have given my information to the California Highway Patrol. Now I'm just really waiting for the tow truck to arrive. We need 2 tow trucks, obviously. And then, yeah, move on. I can give you guys like a debrief once I'm off the side of the road and I can, clear my head. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's really just a simple case of I got rear-ended.
Well, the good news is that, again, you're okay, they're okay, and right away your first concern was the passenger driver.
Always.
I was in shock. I saw the commotion, I saw the car come through and hit the back of you, But in my mind, I was hoping like, when it happens, you're hoping it wasn't real. Like you're like, did that just happen? I hit, and it was like in shock. I got out and I was like, and you're out and they're out, and it's just like, damn.
That was crazy.
Yeah. Ironically, it's kind of like exactly how the guy already got hit.
It's the same corner.
Yeah. So Mike was looking at it, and he's hoping it's fixable because obviously that car's.
It looks fixable. Like,
I think it's fixable.
I think it's fixable too.
So we're not going to do any more damage, right?
I hope not, because it's very low.
Do you have some race ramps to put under the end of this?
I'm gonna check. I got some wood. I got wood. I don't got no ramps. Though.
We want to avoid further damage. Sometimes these guys will just rip it on there because they think the car's written off. I mean, that front bumper is probably $25,000, so we don't want to do more damage. The insurance company's not going to cover that stuff. That's not going to work.
Yeah, it's a fact.
No, you're not going. That's not going to work. Because like this car is repairable. Obviously, it's not that bad the damage. That front bumper's like 20 G's. The CHP has an expectation and pressure on them from their superiors to clear the freeways at all costs. That's their job, protect the freeways. So the officers being cool, they have to get off the road. The tow truck driver is being awesome because he's saying that I know I'm going to damage this car right now. I'm not comfortable doing it, which I respect that. We have Mr. C's here in 5 minutes. This gentleman's awesome. Thank you. Everybody here is being super professional. If you think back to when my guard was written off, it was not like this. The officers were not this courteous and friendly. So huge thank you to CHP for being super cool. Letting us stay here and support Damon, not only with filming and all that, but just obviously emotionally because this is the ultimate build that took literally years. And Damon's acting really cool right now and calm, but like this is heartbreaking. This sucks.
Mr. C's to the rescue.
As always.
In fact, when you pull it, let's just hope the rear wheel doesn't fall off.
Killed that race route. Oh, keep going.
Good to go?
Yeah, keep going because it'll pop onto the trailer in a sec.
Just a second.
It's like 3 inches up. It's moving this way now.
Perfect.
So it should pop on there.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
There you go. Keep going. Almost there. Bit more. You're good. You did it, dude. Nice work.
Perfect. I love that.
There we go.
Right on, man.
That's why I call Mr. C's towing. I'll jump in with Eric.
Yep.
Okay, we'll chat more when we get to the shop.
Thank you, sir. Have a safe night.
You bet, guys.
4 a.m. Done the edit. Last thing I want to say is the young guy who obviously hit the back of my car, you could see him. He's devastated. He's an emotional wreck. I'm not mad at him. It's just a car. We're all okay. So I don't want anybody going after this kid, saying anything on him on social media. Like, we just all move on from this. All right? We'll fix the car or get a new car or whatever. But I'm not mad at him, so nobody else needs to be mad at him or say anything to him. That's it. See you in the next video.
My God, man. Come to LA, let's go for a drive. You son
Come
of a,
to LA,
come over to LA,
fun.
let's go for a drive.
We'll have a good time.
You son of a